With the Switch 2 coming out, a lot of people are getting rid of their Switch 1, so here's how to completely factory reset your Switch 1. Now, what you want to do is first turn off the console completely. Just go ahead and hold down the power button for a couple seconds in here. Just hold it down, and then you're gonna get this screen right here. Go down to power options, select that, and then go ahead and press where it says turn off. Now, once your console completely turns off, once the screen completely goes black, what you want to do is put it on the side, and then you want to hold down your volume buttons, the minus and the plus, the decrease and increase volume. Hold down both of them at the same time, and just as you're holding both of them at the same time, start holding your power button up. That will turn on your console. Don't let it go just yet, because that is going to put you into this recovery screen right here. Just give it a couple of seconds and you guys will see what I'm talking about. This is the maintenance mode screen right here. This is where we're going to factory reset the console. So what you want to do now is choose your option, how you want to factory reset it. Do you want to reset it without losing the data? Now, if you guys select that option, you're going to have to pass your data into a micro SD card. But if you guys want to get rid of everything, if you already transferred your data to your new Switch 2, and we already have a video on how to do that in this channel, all you have to do is go down to initialize console down here. Go ahead and press A here, and now it's going to give you, of course, a prompt. Read through it, and if you agree, go ahead and hit continue. It's going to give you this screen right here, so go ahead and press continue. Then it's going to give you this last one in here, and now we're gonna press continue, and it's finally going to put us on this screen where there is no turning back. Just go ahead and press initializing here, and that is going to start deleting everything. Now, you do need to have battery, so as you can see, I don't have enough battery to do this. So if you're running low on battery, just connect the AC adapter. Now, it's very important that you guys connect the OG AC adapter or the original AC adapter that came with your Switch 1. Other power cables might not work, so if you have any different power cable, what you might have to do is charge your Switch 1 first and then go into this screen. Now, if at any moment you want to go out of this screen, let's say that you didn't want to go through the reset process, all you have to do is turn off your Switch by holding down the power button, and that is going to put you out of this screen. It's just going to turn off the Switch completely off. Now, if at any moment you guys want to go out of that screen, all you have to do is press the power button, and that'll turn off your Switch completely. Anyways, guys, that is how to factory reset your Switch 1 completely. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.